Thank you for joining me for AmazonSellersLawyer.com inside information, where we're going to give you the information to drop kick, headbutt, and just kill the competition. This is kind of good news, okay? The good news is account suspensions are down, and the suspensions that we're seeing are mostly listings. So it could be high ODR rate, used sold as new, inauthentics, IP complaints even. But the suspensions that are coming in that we are seeing are more to your listings and less sellers' legs are getting cut off. Now, it's never great to lose a great listing, but it is a whole lot better than losing your entire account. So to me, that is good news. The craziness of doing business on Amazon, where you change your credit card, you change your bank information, and you get suspended. It still happens. It makes no sense at all, especially when your credit card expires and you have to change your credit card, but it does happen. But these are almost always slam dunk reinstatements. They don't take a whole lot of time. A short, concise, persuasive plan of action explaining what you did and making sure you put something in there to explain to Amazon staff that even though you did nothing wrong, you are going to continue to improve your business as an Amazon seller. Intellectual property right complaints are clearly on the rise. Bigger brands, smaller brands, medium brands, private label sellers, everybody is getting into the IP complaint game, okay? Most often the IP complaints are baseless because you're selling genuine products. But you need to be aware of the difference between a valid trademark complaint and a baseless one. A valid copyright complaint and one that is absolutely nonsense. And the same thing goes for patents and trade dress. If you want to learn more, contact me, contact my team at this number right here, and you can speak with us for free. I want you to check out our new office space. We have doubled the amount of space that we have. We have rebuilt our video studio, and me and my team, I couldn't be more proud of our team. Just an absolutely tremendous group of people, 1,000% devoted to Amazon sellers like you. Thank you for joining me again for Amazon Sellers Lawyer Inside Information.